ask your friend, if do you know this family coming from this province? It will connect you already, so they know your where you came from, the origin of the people. And when the British arrived in the Philippines, they left us with the Indian people. So those are the Indian soldiers. So it's also we call it influence our food, our culinary culture. When the British arrived for 2 years here in the Philippines, some of the soldiers were actually Indians. So those Indians both left the Philippines and married a Filipina. So if you know the word karinderia, that's very famous in the Philippines. So actually people who just sell cook food on the side street, that's karinderia. And then they actually offer the food, eat it on the side street. That was started by the Indian people by selling curry teria. Curry teria. We have pizzateria, pasiteria during the times, right? But during the time when the Indians started the business, they call it curry teria. And then later on now, we Filipinos call it karinderia or turo-turo. So that's the evolution of the influence of those invaders that we have in the Philippines, especially our physical appearance. Left at the CCP complex, or the cultural center of the Philippines. So this highway that's right across, that is already Manila City, the old, or the first capital of the Philippines. The CCP complex, or the cultural center of the Philippines. This is an 84-hectare land that was made to represent the Philippines to the world. So we have the CCP complex as the main theater, the PICC as the convention center, the Coconut Palace as the house of the Pope John Paul, but he never used the Coconut Palace anyways. And we have the Folk Art Theater, was made because of the Miss Universe in the Philippines, and Manila Film Center. So we're welcome to Manila, the capital city of the Philippines. In the Philippines, we actually also changes our capital city several times. Manila to Pampanga to Manila to Quezon City, now back to Manila. Alright.
Yeah. Isn't that Century Park on the side?
Central Park, ma'am, yeah, this one. On the right side, yeah. That's the boundary of Manila and Pasay. Going to Vito Cruz area, Vito Cruz or Lasal. That's the Century Park. Going to Lasal on that side. That's we just passed by. Well, we passed by already. So this is Manila Bay. Yeah, you won't see here the reclamation area right there. Dolomite. Doon pa po banda yung Dolomite.
Diretso yata. Diretso pala.
Ba't dumaan siya dyan?
Kala ko susundan. Kukuha niya siguro doon.
Hindi, doon.
I-prepare niya doon.
Prepare niya doon.
Sa Dolomite.
Hindi siya suninyas na doon.
The Dolomite Beach is actually right before the American Embassy. The Dolomite, the controversial Dolomite Beach. Yes po, during pandemic. We actually opened the Dolomite Beach during the pandemic.
But now, it's closed.
It's open pa rin po.
Ganun pa rin. Dolomite pa rin.
Yes, but Dolomite pa rin siya. They maintain it already. And People Creek River is the, we call it the catch basin of all the dirt of Metro Manila. So yeah, that's why we are not actually allowing people to fish here and eat those catch that they have, because it's worse pollution. Yeah, so this is also one of the busiest highway, because every year they keep on renovating this highway. That's why it's very busy every day, every year. Every day they try to fix the road. So this is Malate, Manila. So this is also the location of the entertainment district of Manila, Malate.
Red District.
And also Red District.
Saan yung Condo de Manila?
Sa talikod po ng isang park. Torre de Manila. The controversial eyesore of Rizal Park.
Makikita natin.
Yes po. Ang pabansang photo bomber.
Manila Medical Center na.
Metropolitan Center po.
Manila Medical Center.
Manila Medical Center po. Doon po ba sa may Pedro Hill, UN. UN Avenue.
Ayala.
So this Ross Boulevard is actually location of all the hotels and then restaurants in Manila. So it used to be like a lot of like hotels here. Now they only have like few biggest hotel left.
Di ba Dewey Boulevard dito dati?
Yes, but Dewey Boulevard, and then afterwards they actually changed it into Ross Boulevard. So yeah, from here you could also see the if it's not cloudy on the other side, you will see the Bataan Peninsula. So it's when you go to Bataan and go to the Shrine of Valor on the top of the mountain with a big cross, you will see Manila Ross Boulevard area from there.
Filipino-American friendship.
So the Dolomite Beach is on your left, and then now this is Manila. It's American Embassy.
Oh.
Of course, we also have always the biggest here in the Philippines, American Embassy. The 7-hectare land that was given to the American. So we're here now po. So we just have to wait for the announcement if we're gonna be going down or gonna be staying inside the bus. But I think we're gonna go down because it's not raining. So anyways, Rizal Park was known as the execution ground of the Filipino during the Spanish colonial period.